From ideation to execution, SHREE BioCare proudly presents the completion of yet another project, a cutting-edge microbial fermentation plant. But what sets this 5,000-plus liters pilot-scale fermentation plant apart from the rest? This masterpiece has SHREE BioCare's patented agitation and aeration system, a revolutionary technology designed to amplify yields by an impressive 8 to 33% margin. Moreover, it seamlessly maintains a pristine environment, achieved through a fully sterile system constructed with aseptic and sanitary pipings. Underscoring our dedication to innovative solutions in the field, our team of highly skilled professionals have harnessed state-of-the-art technology to craft this ingenious machinery within an exceptionally short time frame. At SHREE BioCare, our projects are not merely assignments. They embody the principles of innovation, perfection, and expertise. This commitment is our promise for the future, a future where SHREE BioCare continues to redefine excellence in every project we undertake.